Tristan back with another episode of nonsense. Got these sweet wood panels I had made. I'm doing a couple commission pieces that are gonna look like gems or cut diamonds. Start priming it in Hop 2. Paint primer, Rusto. Quick base coat. Dang, look at that tip. Oh, it's got the hawk. Yeah. All right, blow her out here. Woo! Ooh, that is awesome. Kind of like having a real paint sprayer. Primed up. Get started. This one will be a blue one. Base layers. This one's gonna take a lot of layers. Getting somewhere here. Keep at it. Coming along. Got a bunch more stuff I wanna do to it. Well, that was cool. Clear coat. Make it extra thick.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out part 2 coming next week.